Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic: how does dementia get diagnosed? As an elder law attorney, I deal with persons that are confronted with a diagnosis of dementia, and I deal with their families. So there is no one definitive test that would alert you or diagnose you with Alzheimer's, right? There's not a blood test or an MRI. So dementia is a general form of memory loss, and it's diagnosed by characteristic behavior changes and a series of things, right? So a doctor will give you a physical exam. There will be lab work, blood work is taken, and interviews with the family, and based on just the memory loss that's associated with it, and there's other characteristic behaviors. Should you go to a doctor after you have these initial signs, there are at least two exams that a doctor will administer that will help in the diagnosis of this illness. Now, dementia is an umbrella term for more than 200 categories. The most well-known is Alzheimer's disease, but there's also vascular dementia, Lewy body syndrome, right, and other names, within the 200. Now, the two exams that a doctor can administer is the mini mental, and that's a test scored on 30, and basically it tests your mental skills. Then the second exam that a doctor can give you is the mini cog, right, for cognitive tests. Now, two tasks you'll be asked to do. One of which is remember 3 items. So the doctor will mention 3 items, hammer, pretzel, table. And then a few minutes later, you're asked to state what had been given. And then the second task would be to draw a clock with all of the numbers in the correct positions, and the doctor will give you a time, like 1:20 or 3:30 or whatever. And if you could, do that, the doctor uses that as an assessment. So if you have, or any family members are being confronted with this, and you need to plan for the second half of your life, please reach out to me. frankbrunolaw.com.